Hello everyone, this is exercise 9.1 question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. See, you are able to see the broken tree and the top of the tree is touching the ground here, right? And the angle made with the ground is 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. This is the foot of the tree and here the top is touching the ground. So this distance is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. They are telling us to find out the height of the tree. That means this one and this one we need to find. Correct? Let us see the proper figure here. To get the height of the tree, we need to find out x and y. So let us write here. Let AB is equal to x and AC which is equal to y. Correct? To get the value of x and y, we will write down the trigonometric ratios here. I will say first tan 30 degree which is equal to opposite side by the adjacent side here. Tan 30 degree, already you know the ratio. If you don't know, just try to recollect those values, okay, which already you all learned in introduction to trigonometry lesson. So 1 upon root 3 here, which is equal to x by 8. Therefore, value of x comes as 8 by root 3. Now, see the other one. To get the value of y, I will use cos 30 degree. So here cos 30, I'll write it down. Cos 30 degree which is equal to adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse which comes as y here. Okay. So cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2 which is equal to 8 by y. We'll do the cross multiplication and here y into root 3 which is equal to 16. Therefore, value of y comes as 16 by root 3. Now we are having x as well as y. To get the height of the tree, I'll write down h. Therefore, h is equal to x plus y. X is 8 root 3. Y is 16 root 3. We'll just add it. As we add, we are getting 24 by root 3. As the denominator is irrational number, we will rationalize the denominator. To do so, I will multiply with root 3 and even I will divide it with root 3. Correct? Now you see 24 root 3 at the denominator root 3 into root 3 it will become 3. So 3. So 3 ones are 3, 8s are. So here 8 root 3. Therefore, finally we'll write down height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.